Hello everyone, today I'm not going to knit nor crochet. I'm going to show you how to make this carpet. This carpet is made of used jeans. Um, if you have jeans that don't fit you or you're going to throw them away, you can make this carpet. Hope that you try it.
What you will need are some used jeans. I have some used jeans here, they don't fit me. Or they don't fit you, or they're a bit maybe they are damaged or something. So all you need are some jeans. Now I cut some strips from the jeans. Strips you cut them depending. I'm not going to tell you the length that I cut mine and the width. You cut them depending how much you want them long, and the width you choose the width and the length how much you want to cut them. Now we take the strips, all the strips one by one, and we make a hem on this side, make a hem on this side, and another hem on this side. So a hem on this side and a hem on this side. I'm going to use the sewing machine to make them. So a hem here and a hem here on all the straps that we have. I'm going to use the sewing machine, as I told you. As you can see, the hems are already from this side and from this side of all of them, this side and this side. All the hems are ready. Now I have got another piece of used jeans here, and this is going to be the bottom where I put these I will put it on. I will put these on this one, and this will be the bottom of the carpet. I will turn it around so it is from the outside and from the inside like this. And here I will start attaching the strips. I will start like this. I leave a little bit over here, so then I can turn it like this and make the borders like that. And I will start making it like this. This is the first one, the second one, the third one. Then I use the sewing machine and I sew them all in place. And I will show you how they come. As you can see here, I attach them here. I attach the blue ones here. Now I'm going to start putting the green ones. And I'm going to start from here. I put one, I leave it down. The other I put it up. One I leave it down, the other I put it up. I take the green one and I put it like this. Now I put this down, I put this down. That is the first one. Now I'm going to put this one up now, this one up, sorry, that one and that one. I'm going to take the green one again, put it over here. This one I put it down, this one I put it down, and that is the second one. I think I made a mistake here. This one, that one, this one I had to put up, sorry. This one I put it up, I put this one down, like that. Now, this one is down, over here. And put that one up over there. And the last one, put it like that. And you continue doing like that. You continue with the green ones doing what I was doing. And this is how it comes, as you can see. Now I will cut the edges here and here too, the ones I don't need. And we're going to turn from this, the bottom part, we turn it around like this to make a hem. We make a hem all around like this to make the edges. We turn a hem like this to make the edges.
This is the final result, how it comes. As you have seen, I have used the jeans. If you have jeans you're going to throw them away, don't throw them away, because with them you can make other things. So you have seen I have made this carpet, but you can make other things with them. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.